Hey, need cash for payday? I'll show you how to get a Klover Advanced in just a couple minutes. Let's go. First, grab the Klover app from the App Store or Google Play, open it up, hit sign up, and toss your name, email, and phone number. Takes like 20 seconds. Next, link your bank account. Klover needs to see your paycheck history, so connect your main checking account when your direct deposits hits. Super easy. Now, Klover checks if you've got at least 3 consistent direct deposits from your job in the last 60 days. No credit check, no stress. Just make sure those paychecks are steady. Once you're good, head to the advanced section. You can get up to $200 depending on your history. Pick your amount, and if you want it fast, there's an express fee. Otherwise, it's free in 3 days. Hit request and boom, cash lands in your account. It'll auto repay from your next paycheck. No interest, no late fees. Done. That's it, guys. Sign up, link your bank account, check eligibility, request, and cash out. Need more? Earn points in the app for bigger advances. See you next time. Download Klover now and get that advanced.